In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your graphics to low in League of Legends. If your game feels choppy, your laptop is heating up, or you just want the most stable performance during team fights, lowering your graphics is a quick and reliable fix. We'll do this safely inside a match so you can see the changes immediately without affecting a live game. Start by hopping into a game like the practice tool. This is the best place to make changes because it loads you into the actual in-game environment where settings matter most. Once you're in and everything is finished loading, open the settings menu. You can do this by clicking the gear icon on the screen or by pressing the escape key to bring up the menu overlay. From here, navigate to the video section. This is where all your visual options live. Inside the video tab, look for the graphics bar. Think of this as a master control that adjusts multiple visual effects at the same time. Instead of changing textures, shadows, and post-processing one by one, the graphics bar lets you move a single slider to apply a preset that affects all of them together. Click and drag that slider until it's set to low. On low, the game trims down non-essential visual details, which frees up your system's resources for smoother gameplay and higher, more consistent frames per second. You'll still see everything you need to play well, but distracting effects, heavy shadows, and high-resolution textures are reduced so your system isn't working overtime. After you've dragged the slider to low, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save or Apply button in the Settings window and click it to lock everything in. The screen might flicker for a moment as the game updates the visuals, which is normal. If you close the settings without saving, the game will keep your old configuration, so double-check that the button press goes through before you exit the menu. That's it. You've set your graphics to low directly in-game, which is the most reliable way to ensure the changes apply to your matches. The next time a big fight breaks out, you should notice a steadier frame rate and smoother input. If you ever want to revisit this, you can return to the same video tab and move the graphics bar to a different preset. For now, enjoy the performance boost and focus on your gameplay without the stutter.